Unveil. Unveiling the Unexplored. Embark on an exciting journey as we unveil the unexplored with HanStone Quartz. Witness the revelation of our latest quartz designs, each encapsulating innovation and sophistication. Join us on this exploration of unparalleled possibilities where elegance and style take center stage. Tahitian Cream. Mirroring the timeless beauty of Taj Mahal quartzite, Tahitian cream responds to the growing demand for warm kitchen aesthetics. The crack veins diagonally stretching across the rich base create an elegant and luxurious atmosphere. Full of golden shimmer, Tahitian cream elevates your space to new heights of sophistication. Riviere. Inspired by the scenic view of the Scottish Highlands, Riviere's thick and cracked veins with unrivaled transparency boldly stretch across the slab, harmoniously blending with the cool gray base. Bringing the look of Earth's wondrous gift into your kitchen, Riviere adds a unique accent to your environment. Antello. Soft and elegant, Antello portrays the beauty of the snow-filled red rocks of the famous Antelope Canyon. The crispy gray veins complement the graceful blend of gold and lemon accents on a bright white base. Antello is sure to infuse a sense of grace and warmth into your environment. With each and every team member's year-long dedication to surpassing the standards we set, in 2024, we are unveiling the unexplored realm of quartz design. Unveil. Unveiling the Unexplored.